2 times 3 equals 6 plus 3 minus 4 times 1. Now 6 times 3 equals 9 minus 4 times 1. 9 minus 4 equals 5 times 1, and 5 times 1 equals 5. But this is wrong. Why? Because parentheses must be done before multiplication. So inside the parentheses first, and multiplication must be done before subtraction. So 2 and 3 plus 3 equals 6, right? Minus 4 times 1. Now here is hidden multiply, so multiplication from left to right. So 2 times 6 equals 12. Minus 4 times 1. So now 12 minus 4 and times 1. So multiply first. 12 minus 4 times 1 equals 4. And 12 minus 4 equals 8.